Look everyone, it's Franz Liszt! For those of you who don't know, Franz Liszt was an actual pianist from the 19th century, one who could light up any room with his mere presence, just like the intro suggested. The charisma he carried was unheard of at the time, and the term Lisztomania was thus to describe the unprecedented phenomenon. Although Franz Liszt was known for his outgoing character and his good-looking appearance, there's no doubt that his piano playing was central to his persona. It was his virtuosity that created the aura that followed him wherever he went. Like Franz Liszt, I too built my character surrounding the piano. You see, I used to be a pretty shy, introverted kid who didn't feel comfortable speaking his mind, but that all changed when I delved deeper into the art of piano playing. It was no instant transformation, but it didn't take long for me to realize. As my piano skills grew, so did my self-confidence. And not just as a pianist, but in general. Through consistent piano practice, I managed to become a happier person overall. Someone who works hard toward his goals and perhaps most importantly, who inspires others along with it. I say most importantly because when you come from a mindset of insecurity, reaching a point where you're able to inspire others is unironically a life-changing feeling. The smile I see on people's faces when I share my honest passion with them and show off my piano playing feeds my energy like nothing else. Over time, my built-up confidence spilled over to all areas in my life. Simple things like talking to strangers and asking girls out became more natural to me, but that was just the beginning. I mean, if I could master a piano piece that once seemed impossible to play, why wouldn't I be able to achieve other goals in my life that might seem impossible to attain today? My mindset shifted to a place it had never experienced before. From now on, the sky was the limit. Which brings me to the point of this video. Perhaps you can relate to my story and you feel like you lack self-confidence too. Luckily, I know from personal experience that there's a way out. Now, I'm not saying piano playing is the only way out, but it's the one I'm familiar with and I'm telling you it works. Once you've decided if piano playing is something you would enjoy doing, all that is left between you and ultimate self-confidence is consistent effort. Even 10 minutes of practice a day can be enough to significantly improve your quality of life. Though it might take months or even years to attain just a fraction of the charisma someone like Franz Liszt had, there's no doubt you will start seeing the benefits of your effort in a matter of days. Which is, by the way, not only extra self-confidence. Practicing the piano consistently also grants you insane discipline, helping you achieve your wildest dreams and goals in the long run. Because again, if you master a piano piece that once seemed impossible to play, you will start to truly understand the value of your efforts. Another benefit of practicing the piano is that piano playing is a great emotional outlet. Whether you're feeling happy or sad, you will always have a place to express that inner state, in favor of your mental well-being. It's like free therapy. And last but not least, if it was not obvious already, piano playing is the funnest activity there is, especially when you're good at it. Trust me when I say you will never feel bored again. In other words, there are more than enough reasons for anyone to go start their pianist journey. Now obviously it's not easy practicing the piano on a regular basis, but instead of focusing on the difficulty of doing that, think about the great benefits it will give you. Once you internalize the reason why you're practicing the piano, you will have no issues whatsoever keeping up the work required to make your pianist dream a reality. Like German philosopher Nietzsche said, he who has a why can bear almost any how. So the question of this video, whether you should become a pianist, really comes down to another simple question. Do you actually want to become a pianist? In other words, do you care about the benefits that come with piano playing? Now that is a question I will let you decide for yourself based on the information I gave you in this video. Now if you do decide that the path of the pianist is the righteous path for you, then I would like to recommend to you my other video in which I explain the 10 essential steps to becoming a great pianist. It will guide you on your way of improving your piano skills even if you don't have any past experience or access to a piano teacher. If you would like to see more motivational piano content as well as regular piano tutorials and arrangements, make sure to like this video and to subscribe for more. With all that being said, I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.